Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here with Chef Pamela, and for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you like my video. Today I will be making rice pudding, so let's get to it.
For our rice pudding, we will be using 1 cup of rice with 3 cups of water and 3 cinnamon sticks and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna use those ingredients to soak the rice for at least 2 hours, which I have previously done. I have it on the stove. I will be showing you in a moment. But besides that, we will also be using 4 cups of regular milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of condensed milk. The condensed milk is going to sweeten our rice pudding. So if you want it sweeter, you could just add more sugar, or you can add another condensed, but don't add the whole can, second can, because it might sweeten it too much, so you want to add it little by little. So let's get started on the stove. This is our rice, as I had mentioned, with the water, the cinnamon sticks, and the salt. I'm turning it on high so that we can boil the rice in the water with the little bit of water that's left over after the 3 cups. The reason I soak the rice is to soften the rice grains so that when we're making the rice pudding, it helps to cook the rice faster. So I'm going to bring it to a boil and let the water disintegrate before adding in the milk and then boiling our rice with the milk to cook it. Our water has begun boiling and you can smell the cinnamon already. As you can see, so many bubbles. My water has now began to reduce significantly, and we do not want the rice pudding to ever get dry. So now I will be adding in our milk to continue cooking in the rice. We have added a good amount of milk with the 4 cups of the regular milk to cook the rice. But even though it's a good amount of milk, we do not want to leave the rice alone by itself. I am cooking this on high because it helps to cook it faster. If you're going to be leaving the kitchen, make sure you bring the heat down, and also don't forget to come back and give it a stir every once in a while. You do not want to let it sit because it will get stuck to the bottom and it will then ruin the taste of the rice pudding to a burnt taste. My milk has now come down a lot, so now I'm going to be adding in my evaporated milk and my condensed milk. Our rice pudding is now ready. As you can see, it still has liquid in it, but we do not want it to be completely dried out, because when it cools down, it's going to thicken much more. It's going to absorb the liquid, and it's also, when you cool it down, you want to have a creamy rice pudding. You don't want it to be stiff. So I finished it now, and I'm going to take the cinnamon sticks out and show you how it looks.
This is our final product for our rice pudding. It can be enjoyed hot or cold as your preference. I like to enjoy it hot, but my husband actually likes it cool. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one.